My name is Tarani. My metric number is BB22110308. My title is Artificial Intelligence. Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about artificial intelligence or AI, a revolutionary technology that is transforming business across various sectors. AI refers to the capability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and problem solving. Currently, AI is being widely adopted in industries like retail, where it optimizes inventory management, in healthcare for diagnostic, and in finance for fraud detection. These applications enhance productivity, improve customer experience, and drive innovation, making AI an invaluable tool for modern businesses. However, alongside these benefits come significant ethical challenges that cannot be ignored. One of the most pressing issues is data privacy. AI systems require vast amounts of personal data to function effectively, raising concern about how this data is collected, used, and protected. Another critical challenge is algorithmic bias. Since AI algorithms learn from historical data, they can inherit and perpetuate existing biases, leading to unfair outcomes in areas such as hiring practices or loan approvals. Accountability is another major issue. When AI systems make decisions, it's often unclear who is the developers, the businesses using the technology, or the AI itself. These ethical dilemmas have substantial implications for businesses. Data breaches can erode customer trust and lead to legal penalties. Biases in AI systems can result in reputational damage and discrimination lawsuits. And a lack of transparency in AI operations can make stakeholders worry, potentially hindering innovation and collaboration. Reflecting on these issues, I firmly believe that justice, transparency, and accountability are crucial in addressing the ethical challenges posed by AI. Businesses need to adopt ethical leadership to ensure that AI technologies are used responsibly. To mitigate these challenges, companies should implement robust data governance frameworks to protect privacy, continuously audit AI systems to detect and mitigate biases, and foster a culture of ethical awareness among employees. Transparency in AI operations is also vital, as it builds stakeholders' trust and demonstrates a commitment to ethical standards. In conclusion, while AI offers tremendous opportunities for businesses, it also presents ethical challenges that require careful consideration. By adopting responsible practices, businesses can harness the power of AI while ensuring fairness, accountability, and transparency in their operations. Thank you.